What are you doing?
My forehead.
What's on your forehead?
A stick.
A stick. Why do you have a stick on your forehead?
Because it's broken.
It's broken?
Yeah.
Your forehead's broken?
Yeah.
Or the stick's broken?
My forehead is big. It's broken, so the stick is not broken.
So what do you got on your forehead?
Paige, are you now baby wipes?
A baby hive. This is a baby hive.
Hey, are you ready for bed?
What?
Are you ready for bed?
Not yet.
Not yet. Are you gonna be ready for bed soon? Yeah.
Just too late, okay, Mom?
Just till later?
Yeah.
Just a little bit longer?
That's
What?
Cheeto.
All right, thank you.
That's Cheeto.